Hello everyone, I am Namrata Sood from Team Vizrobo. Vizrobo is an institute that provides K-12 students training in STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And today in our session we are going to make a DIY satellite model. So do you know what a satellite is? You might have heard about satellites. Satellites are objects that are put into the orbit of planets to revolve around them in a fixed path and send us photographs, signals, or map the objects or observe the things that are happening on Earth from the space. There are two types of satellites, artificial satellites and natural satellites. Moon is natural satellite of Earth, whereas there are around 8900 artificial satellites that have been put into the Earth's orbit from past many years. And in today, we are going to make a DIY satellite model using some easily available material at home. So for it, we will require some cardboard cuttings. These two cuttings are of 12 into 6 centimeter. Then I will need 4 cuttings of this size, that is 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. I will need 4 of them. 3 and 4. Then I will need one circle of 7 centimeter diameter. Its radius is 3.5 centimeter and diameter is 7 centimeter. Then I will require 3 circles from cardboard of 5 centimeter diameter each. That is 2.5 centimeter radius and 5 centimeter diameter. So I have cut them earlier. Now except them, I will need some cardboard strips also of any size you can take, just thin cardboard slips, and some colored sheets of paper, straws, pencil, scale and Fevicol. So let us start making our DIY satellite model. So now first of all, I will take these cardboard pieces and cover them with some colored sheets. I have cut the sheets in the same size, 12 into 6 centimeter, and I am going to paste it on both the sides. So once I am done with pasting these papers on the cardboard pieces, now you can take any color marker or a sketch pen and draw some boxes on this. You can take help of scale and make a check over here, like this. This check represents the uranium that is used on the antennas of satellite, since it is placed in this small square boxes. So these check boxes represent that. So once you are done with this, our antennas are ready. Now take your 4 5 into 5 centimeter boxes and paste your colored sheets on them also, on the one side, with the help of Fevicol. So now when I am done with pasting my colored sheets on this 5 into 5 cardboard pieces, now I will join them together to make a box like structure. once I am done with making this structure, now I need to close it from the bottom and top. For that I am taking to another squares which I have cut according to their sizes. So I am just going to seal them off with Fevicol. If you have a glue gun, you can use that also. It becomes easier using glue gun. Now same for the top. Now my box is ready. You can use different colored sheets also, or you can use the same color also. Now once I am done with this, putting it in the box, now I am going to take tape and seal all the edges of the box. You can use simple cello tape also. I am using paper tape. And my green sheets on this smaller circles. So I am going to do with this with the help of Fevicol. So I have to do this same for 3 circles, 3 small circles. The dimension of circle are 5 cm in diameter, that is 2.5 cm in radius. I have cut the sheets also in the same size. The same I will do with the bigger circle. Cut out. So just paste this blue sheet on this bigger circle. So now once I am done with pasting my sheets, now I will paste one of my smaller circle on this big circle. This will serve as the base of my satellite. Now I need to take any colored sheet and cut out 2 circles from it. The size of the circle can vary from 6 cm to 8 cm in diameter. So you need to cut 2 circles, and from this. So once I am done with sealing my box with the tape, you can use any tape, cello tape, I have used paper tape. So after that, now take your antennas and cardboard strips. You need to paste half of them behind the antenna with the help of Fevicol. Like this, and we have to paste now these strips on the both sides of our box like this. You can do with this with the help of tape or Fevicol, anything you are comfortable with. For in case of Fevicol, it may take little time. You can use glue gun also. Place them in little slanting manner on the both sides. So I have fixed both of them on the side of the box, and I have used tape also and Fevicol also, because Fevicol takes a little bit more time. With the glue gun it becomes very easy, you can just fix them in seconds. Now after that I will need 2 cardboard strips like this, but on their top I have cut these from them just to paste them over here on both the edges. some Fevicol and paste this here on the edge, and you have to repeat the same procedure for the other strip also. Now you can keep it aside for drying, and now take your cutting of circles. For them you need to paste colored sheets on all these circles on one side only. So I am going to place my blue sheet on the bigger circle. Once you have cut your circles from the sheet of paper, now fold them to make a cone. Divide them first half, then another half, and cut this from this edge of the cone like this. Cut them this edge of the cone. Similar to the other circle. Now you need to paste this around your circles you have cut earlier, like this, and this also around it. For it, what you can do is cut it from center, from one side, paste it around here, and seal it like this. You can do this with the help of Fevicol easily. You have to paste it like this. So, doing that with the help of Fevicol, apply Fevicol on all the sides of circle carefully. So one of mine is done. Same, I have to repeat the same steps for the second one also. Cut it from one side. Apply the Fevicol on around the circumference of circle. And paste it paper around it carefully. You have to do the same. Paste it here with. So once you are done with this, now you have to paste these circles on the cardboard strips we have pasted earlier on the edge of our box. So apply some Fevicol here and paste them on this top of this cardboard strip on both the sides. First here and second here. So this is my almost ready satellite. Now what I will do is I am going to take these two circles I have pasted upon each another and take one bamboo stick and place it here like this. And now what I am going to do is I am going to paste this satellite box onto the top of my bamboo stick. So this would be my final satellite. You can also make a small hole in the box and put it in the satellite, or you can paste it with the help of glue gun. I am going to make a small hole at its bottom and paste and insert my bamboo stick like this. So this will be my final model of satellite. These are its antennas made of uranium. So this is my final satellite model. You can make more antennas onto it with the help of straws. You can place them in a triangular manner and put an aluminium foil ball on it to give it more authentic and real look. These kind of satellites are sent to space by space organizations for various purposes. Thank you. I hope you like this session. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.